How's the chocolate milk? You having a little picnic? Good morning. Welcome to a gray and chilly day on our little backyard homestead. The goal today is to get a few things done, but we need to get some dirt in that bed over here, and then we're gonna get, deck is falling apart. That's another project, huh? Another project. Goodness. Right there. Okay, I need to grab a bucket, get these chickens fed. Oh, goodness. Good morning, girls. Hello, hello, hello. Some for the babies. Some for the babies. I like to put some up here for Dixie. She just kind of sits up here and perches. And the other ones don't know that it's there, so she doesn't. No one bothers her. Hello, ladies. Good morning. Everything okay over there? Okay. Unleash. Come on, ducks. Come on, Luna girl. Oh, honey. Daisy, you have a few eggs under there. I was going to get those. Thanks for your contribution. Here we go. Here we go. Hi, Dixie girl. Purdy. Purdy, purdy. Oh, I don't know. It fell out of the sky.
It comes from the roof.
What a great shirt for today. Dolly, you need to be nice to the babies today. Don't you square up at me, I'm telling you. Don't you do it.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car, let me see who you are, who you really are, yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle, no, I just gotta know. If you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's be honest for a second, yeah. You're being over your head, babe, 'cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you. I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car, let me see who you are, who you really are, yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle, no, I just gotta know. If you're gonna leave me, then just do it.
Wilder's getting the rocks, whoa. And I'm tilling, which sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I feel like I do it every other year just to get the dirt mixed together. I don't know if I would consider it tilling. I'm just taking my shovel and mixing my compost and my dirt together. So I think this is where the cut flowers will go. I think it will look really pretty in here, and I will be able to access each one. And then we're gonna, ooh, nice worms in here. And then right there, out there. Yeah, careful with him. Delilah.
Look!
Delilah loves worms. They're her little tiny pet. I have a friend who has a worm farm, and she's amazing. And I think Delilah has developed a love for them because of her. Yeah. So this is what we're doing right now, and then I will show you what we're planting. We're planning on getting everything in the ground today, but we kind of have a lot to do today, and we're gonna start focusing on the painting. If none of you have noticed, our house is half painted. Okay. Okay, you gotta leave them in there. They're good for our soil. Okay.
I found one. No, don't take them. Watch. When Mommy takes some, we can find some and look some. Okay? This one. One falling. There's a cool worms. There's a lot.
There's so many. That means our soil's healthy, huh?
Mommy, can we hold some? No, let's look for some.
You can hold them, but you gotta put them back. We need them in here.
Yeah, they can't dry out. I see one online.
Can't dry out.
I think it's all up. There's a big long one. Ghost. There's long worms. There's a lot of long.
Oh yeah, a treasure.
That's treasure. That's not treasure.
It can be a treasure if she wants it to be, buddy.
Yeah, that can be a treasure.
Okay, we need feet out of here. Stop stomping. Huh?
There's more rocks still.
Oh, no, excuse me. I don't want you to get hurt. Sharp shovel, buddy.
Even the kids break in half. What?
Okay, watch out. Excuse me. Little cutie. Oh yeah, could be half of a worm. Could have gotten trapped.
Yeah, it is. There's a long worm.
Okay, feet out.
Feet out, feet out, feet out, feet out.
You'll need to have a little harder when everything's compacted like that, huh? Up, look.
What?
I don't know. Is he a faker?
What?
He's a faker?
Yeah, that's not a real one.
A faker.
We're finding a lot of treasures.
Yeah. Hi, Millie.
Mama, can Milia play with this orange thing?
No, Milia cannot play with the orange thing.
Why?
Because it's too little for her, honey. Remember, we need to keep babies safe by watching what they get into, because they're so curious. And that's okay to be curious, so we need to make sure they're being safe, right? Yeah, what do you think, girls? Hi. I am. Big girl. Careful. You're gonna take a tumble. Hi. Okay, so these two are tilled. One sec, Del. This is tilled, and I think I'm gonna have to make another hard choice. The carrots. maybe I'll just do a row, but they're not gonna be ready by the time we head on out. So that's another one. So we'll just do the quick ones, like snap peas will trellis up right here. That's a 35 germ rate. And then what else do we have? Tomatoes will go relatively quickly because I have the starts. They're gonna go right here. Cut flowers will still go there. And then we'll probably, you know, we'll just keep the cucumbers and basil with the tomatoes and go from there. Then the rest of this will probably be dedicated to some more flowers and herbs, but we need things that are quick and ready to go. Cool beans, huh? So I'm gonna go get the seeds and tell you the plan, and we will keep everybody watered and ready to go. I really feel like I need to moisten some more soil though, so we'll see. All right, super excited about this. I'm gonna do all of our beans. So we have the peas, we just have the dragon, we have Cherokee wax yellow bush beans, and then some ruby moons. And I think that will be super fun just to trellis every other one. And then I do the Florida weave method if you're new here. So I'm just gonna take some jute or garden twine. What is going on here? I don't know if this is a sign, but all of my cameras have failed me today. I don't know. Maybe someone's telling me to take a break. But when in doubt, give the kids a bucket of water, of course, supervise them. But that'll keep them busy while you do a few things. So I just want to get things cleaned up a little bit, and then I'm going to start my planting. So we talked about it. What I was saying is I do the Florida weave, so weave jute in and out of these two poles, and that's where my beans will trellis. And then we'll do basil, bell pepper, and tomato. I don't want to hear it about companion planting peppers and tomatoes. They'll be just fine. I've done it before. They actually thrive and they do well together. My little medicinal here, I have yarrow, I have lemon balm in there, and then I might throw a few seeds. And then here, I don't know, I think I'll just put another thing of mulch. This was a dead lilac. I would prefer to have some bushes here, but honestly, I'm not sure. And then what I thought would be nice, I have a friend who I just got close with. I'm kind of super bummed. She lives very close to me. We have a lot in common, but that's okay. She has a pergola in her backyard, and I thought it would look nice here. I want to price some, look into it and see if that would be good, or maybe even put it here for some privacy from here. I don't know. I just wish there was some privacy here, but we are going to put the trees. I think that was all I jumped on to talk about. I guess my potatoes are really what's stumping me. They might go in here. I might just go in there because it's low right now. So I'll just split them in 4s and then add some dirt as they start to get up. I hope that makes sense, but I'm gonna get the rest of this stuff cleaned up here, and then my husband promised we could get my phone fixed and some mulch tomorrow. So we'll do mulch here and maybe some pavers or some of these. These were rotted and moldy when we moved in, and we just started tearing them up and we weren't sure where we were going with it. So yes, I'm exhausted. My mind is all over the place, but having fun documenting this. It really is so nice to watch the videos back and just see the kids. My husband and I both agree because he is just not here that often. So he loves watching the kids and what we do when he's away. So irises are gonna stay there, and maybe something here. Let me know some suggestions. What are you seeing as a vision if you have time? I know you all have your gardens on your own. You're probably like, do it yourself, but here we go. Clean up.
Talk to me, baby. I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights in whatever can be found, 'cause I've given in to demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
Okay, much better. I think it's much cleaner and we will have some room for mulch, but wow, so exciting. Cattle paneling, I don't know. I don't think we'll do it because, man, I kind of want to, you know, for the new owners, if it's at a good price, I think it would be beautiful to walk through. I just don't know if we'll have that much growth in time, so we'll see. Stay tuned for that, but it would just be a panel to here and a panel to there. It would be really beautiful to walk through. Maybe we'll just put it in and have some squash in there, and maybe the new owners will get excited about walking through a garden trellis like me. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna put one more thing here. Pineapple sage is coming in there, and then maybe some more cut flowers, maybe some pretty zinnias there, or I have those black poppies that are very gorgeous. Maybe this would be a good spot for the impatiens because they always seem to surprise me.
Oh my love, you're such a fragile thing, I know. And with the winter comes the ice, the snow, but I'm here to hold. And oh my love, don't worry about the cold just yet. The trees haven't started to shed. Just feel the summer sun as it warms our bed. I'm lying, and I'm lying when I say but I'm trying to shelter you from pain. And oh my love, the seasons come and they go, but I hope you know that I